Hi there guys, my name is Skye and welcome to my first car vlog. I'm super excited to be doing this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, my link is below. You already know that I am a rallycross driver. I have been competing in rallycross for many years now, and I have two 2005 Subaru WRXs. However, why I'm starting this channel is to start my new build progress, which is actually a 2016 Scion FRS, and I am wanting to go into global time attack. So there are tons and tons of things that need to be done in order to get me to that level. So the purpose of this channel is to not only document my adventures with my rally cars, but also all the things I'll be doing to get into global time attack. So without further ado, let me introduce you to my garage. First up is my 2005 WRX Charmander. She is my rally car. As you can tell, she is a little bit dirty. I ended up rallying her last month and I have not cleaned her off. It's kind of a lose-lose situation as she always gets dirty and I never have time to actually clean her. She does have the WRC wide body kit on her, and this is the Scion GT wing. She also has that eco-friendly wrap job going on. Under the hood, as many of you guys are wondering, she is a custom built bored and stroked 2.9 liter with a PAR straight cut first through fourth transmission. She has a 5-angle valve job, JDM heads, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so I'm going to take this on a drive to see if she will run. I just got off a stand. I rebuilt her diff. They have issues sometimes. Alright. I'm just going around the neighborhood so you can see how this goes. And my neighbor's about to leave, so let's give her a little space. Base now to work with her on. Gotta love the squeaky race brakes. My neighbors love it. They love having me in the neighborhood. This is Rexy. She is my other 2005 silver Subaru WRX. I also do rally her along with that girl, but she is my daily, so I try to keep her more reliable. For all you Subaru nerds out there, she is equivalent to a Stage 2, but she also does have the same suspension as the rally car does. Okay, so I just introduced you to my other cars. Last but not least, this is going to be my 2016 Scion FRS. I will be going into global time attack with her. First things first, there's a ton of things I need to be doing in order to get her prepared for that level, so I'm a little overwhelmed to say the least. So basically so far all I've done on her is I have already done the spark plugs. Like any new vehicle or any used vehicle that you buy, you're gonna have problems with it. So her throw-up bearing is completely toast. Her rear axles both need to be replaced. I'm pretty sure she was in an accident in the front, so that's also an issue, but she runs fine, so who cares? So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna do an oil change and I'm gonna do her transmission fluid. Two very small things that I can do to jump to the next level. So let's get started. So oil and trans are now done, so checking those off the boxes. Big shout out to Redline for actually sponsoring these products for me. I'm really excited to be working with them as I continue on through my time attack journey, so definitely go check them out if you haven't already. Up next, I have tons and tons of product coming in for this car. My first event is actually in February, so there is a lot to do beforehand, so definitely stay tuned for those next videos. But I'm really excited to actually be able to show you guys what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, see you soon. Cheers.